Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram chats tidy and private, enabling auto-delete from messages is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to automatically delete messages for a specific contact after 1 month on Telegram. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Next, go to the chat with the contact whose messages you want to auto-delete. If you don't see the conversation right away, simply use the search bar at the top and type in their name. Once you've found the chat, tap to open it. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see either the profile picture or the name of your contact. Tap on that area to open the chat's details page. This is where you can find more options to personalize your conversation. Now, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with more features. From this menu, select Auto Delete. This is the feature that lets you set a timer for messages to be erased automatically. You'll see several time options. Choose 1 month, so that every new message in this chat will be deleted after 30 days. Once you've selected 1 month, confirm your choice. That's it. Auto Delete is now enabled for this specific chat. From now on, any new messages you send or receive in this conversation will be automatically removed after 1 month, helping you keep your chat history clean and your private information safe. You can repeat these steps for any other contact or group where you want to enable Auto Delete. It's a simple way to take control of your privacy and manage your conversations effortlessly. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want more control over their Telegram chats. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips.